Hey, what's going on, guys? I got a package in the mail from Amazon. It was an order that I placed a couple of days ago, and I'm going to be installing this on the trailer. So when I have some shore power, I'll be able to take that from whatever campsite I'm at, plug it in this deal, and then there's a cable that comes through, and then I could put it in like an extension cord or a power strip to power any devices or charge phones or laptops or whatever like that. So I'll give you a little close-up look of that. You know, it's supposed to be waterproof, it's seal-proof. It's pretty cool packaging. It has some spot UV on it. But basically it kind of illustrates, you know, this being the trailer wall, and I'll just have to get my hole saw and just drill a hole in the side of the trailer, screw that to the outside of it, and the cord will go inside. Makes it pretty convenient. I've taken a couple trips already without something like this, and basically I have to take the extension cord and just kind of feed it through the door, but it kind of, like, you know, it pinches the cable, or I have to leave the door open a little bit, and if it's cold or hot or too cold, you know, you want to be able to close everything up nice and tight. So this is going to help me kind of be a little bit more efficient that way. Let me pull it out. It's pretty simple. It's only one piece. So yeah. So here it is. Has like a rubber backing, keeps it waterproof, nice and watertight. This is the opening that the extension cord will plug into. And basically this would feed through the door. This would be on the inside, and that would my extension cord from the inside or a power strip would plug into this, then giving it power. And again, this just kind of cleans it up so you're not like putting the extension cord through the seam of a door or anywhere else you're trying to get the cord to come in. This just lets you do it right through the wall. Essentially, I'm gonna be mounting like this. I've had this for years laying around, have a bunch of power strips, but this one's kind of cool. It has a little Bluetooth speaker in it, has USB ports already, and as you can see, plenty of AC ports. And I think I want to put it up here in the top now, because basically it's gonna hang in like that. Yeah, and I think I'm just gonna put it right here, right in the middle there. The only thing I could foresee is, obviously, you know, when the extension cords come in, I'll just put it flush and it'll just kind of come up here and sit there. I think typically normally people would put it down below in the back corner, but I'm not a normal guy. So we do things a little different. All right, so I got my 2-inch hole saw bit. It's all ready to go. Have about one little cell left. Should be fast. I'm gonna do it right in the middle of this thing. I'll just take one more quick look on the inside. No obstructions. There's some wire, but it's running on top. You guys can see better than me. Is there anything over there? Tell me in the comments. By then the hole will be made and the fire had been started. Trailer burned to the ground. This ought to be fun. Drilling this with one hand. How's this for eyeballing it? There she blows. Well, let's keep going. Hello? Anybody home? Gonna have to keep going. Power has arrived. So you can see this little lip that comes off because of the cord connection. You can see in my situation, I have the outer shell and then I have this gap. Now that's plenty of space to put this through, but when it rests on the wood side, I had to use my jigsaw and cut a little corner off. Just like that. Just put a little corner dig on it. And now it sits flush on the outside. When you end up doing some of these projects, even though this comes for this purpose, you know, everybody's situation is a little bit custom, and you just had to learn how to work around some of these little snags you might run into, and it helps having the proper tools to do what you need to do. So this goes down like that, and this just opens up. Wablam. So easy. That's what the back of it looks like. And then this will deal with later. I'm gonna put the screws in and call it a day. I was gonna put silicone, but it has a rubber gasket around it. I don't really feel like it's necessary. And I'll observe it, kind of see if it kind of lets in any moisture when we're in a wet area. And I could simply take it off and add it. But it says waterproof as it comes, so this gasket here, it's rubber, it's squishy. That'll serve the purposes of the sealant. Cool, let me put these screws in real quick. Bzz, bzz, bzz. It comes with 3 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me do that. All right, and we're all finished. Just took my screwdriver. 1, 2, 3. Looks nice. Wow, looks real slick. I love that it's obviously black, but I'm sure that's pretty common on these ports. Maybe either black or white. And now we have a nice clean way to connect to power.